Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I have been told numerous times that I would love Spam. I have never had Spam, but a couple weeks ago I watched a video from Ron at Four Seasons Barbecue. He did a video on one of his favorite sandwiches to make, and he calls them sandwiches, S-A-M-M-I-C-H, and it is a Spam and tomato sandwich. So today's the day. I'm going to give Spam a try, and I'm going to recreate his Spam and tomato sandwich. All right, I'm going to get everything together, get it out to the Blackstone, and I will bring you back. Okay, everybody, I got everything prepared. We have the regular Spam here for the Spam and tomato sandwich. I have jalapeno Spam for the hot Spam and cheese sandwich I'm going to be making. I also have the rolls I'm going to be making their sandwiches out of. I also have the cheese. I'm going to put lettuce on mine, Ron. And of course I'm going to have the tomatoes on the one sandwich. So the one sandwich is tomato, lettuce, Spam, and the other one's going to be cheese, Spam, and that's it. All right, I'm going to get the Blackstone heated up, and we're going to get this Spam a-cooking. For the jalapeno Spam. All right, while these are cooking up, we're going to get this bread toasted. All right, bread is on. Let's check on our Spam and see how it's cooking. Oh yeah, they're ready to flip. Oh yeah, bread's looking done. Whew, it's hot. Alright, we just gotta wait for the Spam to cook. Ron always says it's better when it's crunchy. Not super crunchy, but it's got a good crust on it. Alright, I'm going to call these jalapeno when it's done. Alright, we're going to get the regular Spam off. They're done. Alright, let's get some of these jalapeno ones down here because we're going to melt some cheese on it. we'll dome it, a little bit of water and steam, help that cheese melt. All right, now we got to get some of this Duke's mayonnaise on the bread. Going to be mayonnaise in both of them. That one, and we'll cap that. Okay, now we're going to make Ron's famous Spam and tomato sandwich. Looks like I'm only going to get 3 on there. That's all right. Bit of tomato. And I will be adding some lettuce. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. It's a sin not to salt your tomatoes. Always salt your tomatoes. Ron knows this. All right. Now we can top it. Okay, there you have it, people. This is going to be my first time I have ever eaten Spam, thanks to Ron at Four Seasons Barbecue. And I'm going to go in for a taste test here very shortly. Alrighty, everybody, it is time for the taste test. Before we get into Ron's Spam and tomato sandwich, I am going to try the jalapeno and cheese. First off, it deserves its own special taste test. So let's go right into that one. Well, definitely has a nice flavor with those jalapenos in it. You can really taste it. The jalapeno Spam really has a place. They did good with it. Take one more bite. It really does taste like a ham and cheese. But it's Spam and cheese. All right, now we're going to taste Ron's Spam and tomato sandwich. I got faith in you, Ron. If this tastes anything as good as that Spam and cheese, you got a winner right here. And I got a feeling I can trust your judgment. All right, where are we going to go in on this thing? Oh, look at that beautiful sandwich. Look at that thing. All right, I think I'm going to go in right here. I get a little bit of everything right here. All right, here we go. Oh, that is pretty good. The crunch of the bread, the crunch of the Spam, and the tomato with the lettuce is a winner in my book. I'm going to take another one. This is pretty good. Kind of tastes like a BLT, but not, if you can understand what I'm talking about. But it's pretty damn close. I like it. I think it's pretty good. Oh, definitely got to toast your bread. And don't forget to salt your tomatoes. It's a sin if you don't salt your tomatoes. Just ask Ron, he'll tell you. That was super delicious. All right, if you've never tried Spam before, you got to try this. Very, very delicious. Good pick, Ron. And now I know why you like it. Okay, everybody, this is going to wrap up this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like. Hit the bell so you get notified when I upload any new videos. And I appreciate everybody that watches my videos. Again, as I always say, and especially in this case, if I can make a tomato and spam sandwich, you can make a tomato and spam sandwich. Stop making boring food. Broaden your horizons. Explore food. It's a wonderful thing. Also, don't forget to check out Ron's channel, 4 Seasons Barbecue. I will leave a link to his channel down in the description, and you can watch his video on making a tomato sandwich. Thanks, Ron. This was a perfect idea. I appreciate your video, and if I'd have never seen the video, I probably never would have tried this. All right, everybody, take care, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.